Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buckle up because today we're taking you on a motorbike powered adventure through Chiang Mai. We hit the mountains, tackled a little waterfall, rode a jungle coaster, and wrapped up the day by catching a neon lit night bus to Bangkok. Let's get into it. We'd been hanging out in Chiang Mai for a week, soaking up the magic of the Lantern Festival, which doubled as Marie's birthday celebration. You'll see more of that in another video. But on our last free day, we decided to shake things up and explore the outskirts of the city. Our first step was renting a motorbike. It was $8 a day, which is basically a steal. Heads up though, you'll want to get your international license or make sure you have your international driver permit. Nobody asks us for one, but you also don't want to skip the helmet. Trust me, those mountain roads can get pretty sketchy and it's better to play it safe than end up in a Thai hospital. Our first step was Dantewada Land of Angels Waterfall. It's a spot that's been all over Instagram. The entry was 80 baht per person. That's like $3 USD. And right near the entrance is a chill cafe serving fresh juices and snacks so you can fuel up before diving in. Now the place isn't just about snagging that heart-shaped rock photo by the waterfall, though that's definitely a thing. It's got secret gardens and caves and even a little farm with baby goats tucked away at the back. Who doesn't love baby goats? Wandering around feels pretty zen, but heads up, during Thailand's hot season, it can feel like you're walking on the sun. Cooler months are the way to go. Toward the end of this little experience, we stumbled on a small market selling ice-cold drinks, snacks, and even souvenirs. A solid way to wrap up your visit and recharge before hitting the road. So, is Dantewada a must-see? It's lovely for a few hours, but if you're tight on time, it's not a deal breaker to skip. Next up, we drove for a couple hours to Phong Nhang Jungle Coaster and Zipline. We missed out on the Alpine Coaster in Vietnam, so we were stoked to give this one a shot. Here's the thing, you can't just do the coaster. When we got there, we discovered you've got to buy the full activity package. We went for package B, which was the cheapest option at the time. First up, the Alpine Coaster. It was an absolute blast. Cue screaming, laughing, and enjoying the whole way down the valley while trying not to look terrified on camera. And then came the zip lines. Flying through the treetops felt like being kids again, or monkeys. A few sections were actually pretty intense, but manageable. Honestly, it was better than zip lines I've done in Jamaica or Mexico or Bali, and Marie says it was better than the one in Sydney. It was safe and they had some really awesome stretches. The cable biking was equal parts wow and oh no, I probably would not do that again. It was honestly a bit scary. But the last bit was the giant drop. You climb a tall tree, strap in, and free fall back down to a mat. We skipped the giant swing at the very end. One adrenaline rush too many for the day. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's great for families and if you're into thrills or love a good outdoor adventure. Absolutely worth it. If heights make your palms sweat, I'd maybe sit this one out. After all the action, we needed a reset. As we rode home on the motorbike, we discovered a random cafe that stopped us in our tracks. So, we had a lot of fun on the Alpine slide and the zip line. That was actually a really good zip line, like the best I've ever been on.
And the quick drop was scary.
The quick drop scared the pee out of me. I won't do that one again. We were safe, but it was fun. It cost a little more than what we wanted to do, but that's all right. It was fun. And on the way home, we missed a turn, so we came back to get the turn, and we went across a bridge.
And it was like this nice modern place, and I'm like, look, it's so pretty over there.
I know, it's so pretty. So we just turned in.
And then it's like coffee shop, and on the river? Like a little waterfall river.
On a river.
There's a fair few of them up here that you can eat on the river and all that stuff. I mean,
but this one's fancy looking.
Fancy looking, like glamping style.
Yeah, and the drinks were really fancy too.
Yeah, look at his drink.
Well, mine's almost gone, but it was really nice. So we'll show a picture of it. And yeah, fun times, good memories.
It's like taking the you just never know what you can find on the road.
Never know.
Yeah, like we didn't know.
I like doing stuff like this. It's a normal Saturday for us.
Yeah.
Rimnara Cafe was a hidden gem right by the river. Pure tranquility. We grabbed drinks and cakes and kicked back by the water and just kind of let the stress melt away. Fairy lights and a fire pit. It's got that perfect cozy vibe for winding down. If you're in the area, Rimnara is a no-brainer. Just make sure you bring your mosquito spray. We got back to Chiang Mai and capped off the day by hopping on a night bus to Bangkok. Thanks for coming along on the ride today. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Sunsets and Speakeasies for more adventures. Until next time, safe travels and stay curious.